been a mostly quiet evening. We've been tracking storms across the Cumberland Plateau, but the Knoxville areas east have been quiet, but now we're starting to see that storm potential potentially going up a little bit for some, not all. We're looking at Bledsoe County across far southwestern sections of East Tennessee. Now that is a severe storm warning with this cluster. The storm is moving to the northeast, and the storms are not impacting our coverage area just yet, but some Bledsoe County, extreme southern Bledsoe County, is in a severe storm warning, and it's not your everyday severe storm warning. It's a tornado possible tag, and we're looking at this from the Huntsville radar. This is the storm relative velocity, so a measure of the winds, and we're seeing a little bit of rotation just about to make its way up into Bledsoe County. So as of right now, no tornadoes are confirmed, but we're just watching this storm because it is severe, producing lightning, some gusty winds, and we can see the red shade right there. Those are the winds away from the radar. The green is back towards the radar. So if there was to be that circulation intensifying, it would be right in there, and we can see that counterclockwise circulation. So definitely worth watching, but as of right now, there are no tornadoes, and we're keeping a close eye on that storm. But we don't want to forget about Roane County. They saw some heavy rain a while ago. Now those showers are lifting north. As we expand the view up into southeast Kentucky, those storms were strong, but they're weakening. That's good, and hopefully those storms to our southwest will weaken, but I'm going to be staying after this newscast and keeping a close eye on those. Beyond that, next 10 hours tonight, can't rule out those showers and storms. It won't be widespread, but there could be a stray shower or storm. Temperatures right now, upper 60s, lower 70s, still a lot of humidity in place. The winds are going to be pretty gusty, not for everybody. Cumberland Plateau, the winds are up a little bit. I do want to mention the higher terrain of those Smokies. They have a wind advisory that is in effect from right now all the way through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Wind gusts could be getting maybe up to 50 miles per hour in those regions. Tonight, temperatures falling down to the lower to mid 60s, so it will be staying mild as we go throughout the overnight. Tomorrow, staying active, temperature topping out around 82, so pretty seasonable day. I think Sunday morning, if you have plans, mainly dry. Again, can't rule out a shower or storm during the morning, and then as we go into the afternoon, I think that's when coverage potentially goes up a little bit more. Could be seeing a few strong storms tomorrow afternoon. Not crazy concerned about severe weather. The dynamics really just aren't there, but again, it is in May, so that could change. We're going to be watching that too. Flash flood threat is low but not zero for tomorrow. On Monday, which is a holiday, Memorial Day, it's going to be a little bit higher in the medium south of I-40, and that's because the models have been kind of hinting at a cluster of some heavier showers making their way in. Here's Monday during the early afternoon, so I think Monday starting mainly dry, but again, can't quite rule out a shower. I think it's Monday late afternoon, evening when we see some heavier showers move through, and some of those storms could be strong as well. And then here we are Monday 11, still holding on to that rain chance. Official forecast for Monday shows a lower chance in the morning. By noon, storms could be developing, and by the afternoon, scattered to maybe widespread storms by the evening. So if you have plans, I wouldn't cancel them, but I would maybe have a backup plan. I would keep a close eye on the radar. Beyond that, next week stays active. Daily chances for rain continue. Next 7 days, 2 to 3 inches of rain, and that flooding threat will be kind of lingering as we go throughout the week. We do need the rain. We had that extreme drought across the Cumberland Plateau and dry conditions across all of East Tennessee. So the rain is welcomed. We just want to break from those severe storms. Beyond that, here is that 7 day showing those morning lows quite mild, afternoon highs lower to mid 80s. I think by Wednesday, chances for rain decrease a little bit, and I think by the end of this 7 day stretch, by maybe next weekend, I think there could be some relief in sight. Naomi, I was looking at it, maybe the humidity goes down a little bit next weekend, and hopefully these rain chances can end, because it's been a pretty active forecast.
Absolutely. I feel like I haven't seen that many rain and lightning bolts in the 7 day for a while now.
It just keeps coming.
It just keeps coming down. Well, coming up